अमेरिकन राजदूतावास काठमाडौँले नेपालमा समावेशी पर्यटन भन्ने विषयमा अन्तर्क्रिया कार्यक्रम सम्पन्न गरेको छ। पर्यटन विज्ञ डाक्टर स्कट रेन्सको प्रमुख आतिथ्यता रहेको उक्त कार्यक्रममा नेपालका लागि अमेरिकी राजदूत पीटर बोर्डे, विभिन्न अपाङ्गता भएका व्यक्तिहरूका सङ्घ संस्थाहरूका प्रतिनिधि लगायत पर्यटन व्यवसायीहरूको उपस्थिति रहेको थियो। उक्त कार्यक्रममा राजदूत बोर्डेले सबैलाई स्वागत गर्दै नेपालमा समावेशी पर्यटनको आवश्यकता महसुस गरी यो कार्यक्रम आयोजना गरेको बताउनुभयो।
Today, Dr. Rains will speak to you about ways that the Nepali tourism industry and the Nepalese government can work together to make tourism in Nepal a possibility for all. Not only is making tourism more inclusive the right thing to do, it is a smart thing to do. Ensuring that all people are able to visit Nepal translates into more tourism revenue. It's that simple. I think we all recognize the challenges that people living with disabilities face in Nepal, whether they are resident here or tourist. On a positive note, there are some outstanding Nepali advocates for people living with disabilities.
नेपाल पर्यटनका लागि निकै सम्भावना रहेकोले यसलाई अझै अपाङ्गता मैत्री तथा समावेशी गराउन सकी यसको गरिमा विश्वमाझ अझै बढ्ने पर्यटनविद स्कटले बताउनुभयो। त्यसैगरी डाक्टर स्कटले अपाङ्गता भएका व्यक्तिहरूलाई समेटेर पर्यटन व्यवसाय कसरी सञ्चालन गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने बारेमा आफ्नो विचार राखेका थिए।
When we work to try to change the system, the government, the regulations, the building norms and whatever, we're following the social model of disability. And the way that I think that we make that transition to people, to people in power, architects and bus drivers, whatever it is we say, you stopped imagining.
कार्यक्रम संयोजक फोर सिजन ट्राभल एन्ड टुर्सका निर्देशक पंकज प्रधानाङ्गले आगामी दिनमा अपाङ्गता भएका व्यक्तिहरूलाई पनि पर्यटकको रूपमा भित्र्याउन सकिने बताउनुभयो।
And the objective of inviting Dr. Scott to Nepal was very simple. We had three objectives. To show him what Nepal has to offer. And he was keen. And he knew it was the place of Lord Buddha. And to educate the operating sector. So we included the tourism operating sector. We did marathon of workshops. I had to push him at times. Chitwan, 42 degrees, burning hot, and he was speaking for 2 hours. And yesterday we had 2 sessions, one in Handicap International for hoteliers, so he could educate them how to make ramps and get a new segment of tourists who are ready to pay, domestic or international. And evening we had another round of workshop at Manaslu Hotel for tour guides. So next time they will not go just to learn Chinese or Korean, but they would go to learn sign language. They would go and learn how to handle, how to carry, how to handle wheelchair. That would be the added skill. And third objective was to inform. Now he is Buddha first. He is brand ambassador for Nepal and he is determined. That's what has made him higher.